Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. It is exactly 182 days left before prelims 2021. Nervous, excited? Well, to be honest, both right now. I'm actually pretty nervous because I have appeared for prelims twice so far and have not qualified any of those two times. And this will be my third attempt at prelims. And honestly, I feel that I am a little better prepared than I was the last two times around. Like the first time was completely, with zero preparation. It was just like a trial mock kind of a thing when I had just decided that I was going to prepare for the exam. So I had just appeared for it like that. 2020 was my first serious attempt, yes, but I was still not as well prepared as I feel that I am right now for 2021. And I'm still lacking in a couple of subjects, but especially environment for that matter. But now all of my worries are completely gone because Sudarshan Gurjar sir is bringing up an environment course, a comprehensive course on environment on Unacademy Plus. And I actually I actually like him very much as a teacher, and he teaches very well, and I can mostly remember everything he teaches in the class itself, and I never have to do a lot of reading bit after that. So I really like him a lot, and all of my worries are gone for that subject, but that particular subject for now. But yeah, I'm still pretty nervous because, come to think of it, since I've never cleared it, I'm still scared that what happened, what would I feel if I don't clear it even this time around. But I'm even more nervous for the later part because while I'm at a pretty good grounding right now in terms of prelim separation, I am not so much that well prepared for mains as yet because I'm trying to write an answer every day, but it is not happening. And while I'm still attempting at least like 4 to 5 answers a week, but I'm quite behind in my optional preparation, so I'm actually worried about that. And right now again it's only 182 days, of which I'm very sure that there'll be 10 to 15 odd days when I will not be able to prepare much, and there will be last whole 30 days when I don't want to pick up any new things, and I just want to keep giving tests every single day. Maybe I might dedicate an hour or two at that time for optional, but other than that I won't be picking up anything else. So roughly if you think about it, I have only 140 days for that matter. So it's quite less a time, and yes, I am excited, but I'm also very nervous. Excited because this is probably going to be my best attempt, and I'm hoping that I make it through at least the first stage, so that my nervousness about prelims goes off, and I feel that way I would be able to focus much better in preparation for mains. And otherwise I think my motivation might go down for further attempts, but let's hope how it goes. Coming to the update of the week, my week has been very productive because since I got to know about how less number of days I've had, and I actually talked about the video by Siddharth Arora sir. And following that, actually even Runal Patel sir came up with another strategy video, which also helped me a lot. Like these teachers, Runal sir, Siddharth Arora sir, Sudarshan sir, Pratik Nayak sir, all these teachers, they are like, they are kind of the Bible for CSE preparation for me. And I have actually gained a lot because of their classes. Anyways, that is my update of the week. I'm not going into very specifics because again I need to get back to studies, and I've had a little slow day today, but that's about it. I hope you guys have a great end of the year and an amazing beginning of the new year. I hope 2021 brings us much more joy and peace, and let's hope that it's a much better year than 2020 ever was. So yeah, let's hope for a great year ahead. But meanwhile, in all the festivities, please do not stop preparing. Please do not stop studying. Keep preparing, keep your consistency so that we are all able to crack the exam together. How is your preparation going? Do leave that in the comments below. If you like my video, please click on the thumbs up. and do subscribe to my channel so that we can all help each other out and prepare better for the UPSC Civil Services exam.